sometimes when you're trying to reorganize your homestead, it requires that you explode things around. We have stuff scattered throughout the house all over the place. The door's thawed out, so we should be able to get in. Okay. Let's roll it. Run me down,
Okay.
but not off. Just a second. Let me get another blanket.
I was going to say, we need another blanket.
That will go on the cart. Run me down, okay? Oh, wait a second. Okay.
That's the question.
You ready?
Okay.
All right. Need to slide it back a little bit.
Towards me?
Yes. More? Okay. Slide your end around far enough. Today's been a lot of work. We managed to bring the bookcases in out of the truck. They've been in the truck for 8 days. We got
only 8 days?
8.
Seems like forever.
It's only been 8 days. But we got slowed down by, let's see, snowstorm, rainstorm and mud, another snowstorm, and today we finally were able to get the truck unfrozen so we could actually open up the back of it.
Yeah, first the battery was dead on the truck, and so we didn't move it yesterday. We also decided that there was too much ice right by the doors. Then today, the door to the truck was frozen closed. So we had to wait for that to melt. So we were patient and we got it done. So now I can continue moving books.
You know, sometimes when you're trying to reorganize your homestead, it requires that you explode things around. We have stuff scattered throughout the house all over the place. Some of that you'll see in the video, or some of it you did see in the video. Other pieces are hidden under tables and all sorts of places. So this is all about reorganizing so that things have a place to go.
Yeah, we always say that you have to make a mess in order to make an unmess. And it's definitely a mess right now, but it's getting there. Tetris, you know, you move one thing so you can move another thing. And that's what we're doing right now. And that always makes a terrible mess, but when it's done, it's awesome.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that little bell button so that you get notifications.
Definitely. See you next time.
Bye.
Just a little dusty.
I can't imagine where that came from.
Me neither.